friends, welcome back. So, winter is right around the corner, which means so is the dreaded dry skin. Well, I make my own lotion bars with a few simple ingredients. So, I'm going to show you how I make my lotion bars. Now, you're going to start off with some oils, beeswax. Now, get the pellets. Don't use this big solid piece. It's all I had on hand, so I had to use it. But get the pellets. And then you need some coconut oil, some shea butter, vitamin E oil. Now, the best part of this recipe is that you can customize it. If you have any skin conditions, you can get the essential oil that's going to help you with that. Now, tea tree is great for eczema, and peppermint is also good for eczema. Now, I don't have any specific skin conditions, so I just usually use the lavender and lemon. It's my favorite. But I've got some other oils, so I might do a little bit experimenting today. Okay, so just put everything, all the rest of the oils in your double broiler. Now, I just used a big pan and I put my large measuring cup and put all the oils in there and turned the fire on low. You don't want to have it boiling or too hot, but just, it's a process. So just let it melt and give it a stir. And that is it. And so, yeah, that stubborn piece of beeswax in there, it was huge. But anyway, just go ahead and melt everything down. And once everything's melted, go ahead and remove it from the heat. And then you're going to add your essential oils. Now, I added about 15 to 20 drops of each. And, give it a smell. But as it dries, that smell is going to go away. So just keep that in mind as well. And then after you've stirred your essential oils in, then you're going to go ahead and place all of the oil in a silicone mold. Now you can get a mold off of Amazon. You can go to any craft store. I've had this one for years. I'm not sure where I got it from, but I love this mold. So I kind of just use it for my lotion bars. And then just pour it in there, and I mean, if you can get them even, sometimes that's not possible, but yeah, get all your oil in there and then let it sit for about 15 minutes till it starts to harden, and then throw it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And there you go. They're solid, they're hard. That beeswax really holds it together. And so yeah, I've made 4 bars here. Now, the way I store them, you guys, I just grab some parchment paper and wrap them in parchment paper. Now, I'll take one to work. I'll have one in my bag. I keep one in my bathroom. But, I just keep them everywhere. But just remember, they're butters, so they will melt. If you have, like, don't leave them in your car or somewhere hot because they'll melt. But, yeah, I just wrap them up in the parchment paper, and that's how I store them. Okay, now I didn't put oil on my hands purposely so you could see, um, your skin, you rub it in and that heat melts it a little bit. And you guys, it's not super greasy, it's not super sticky. It's perfect. And I did notice with these bars, like within 2 days, I could tell a difference in my skin. So that vitamin E and all those, you know, I use sandalwood and lemon. They both have definitely some beneficial qualities for your skin. So yeah, I really, really, really like this mix. But that's it, guys. Simple ingredients. These 4 bars will probably last me throughout the winter, so I'll be good. But yeah, just like and subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, guys, and come back and get some more DIY videos. All right, guys, bye.